How to unzip or extract files on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how you can easily unzip or extract any of the zip files on your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see on my screen, there is a zip file. So to extract it to particularly formatted way, what I can do is simply click on this and right click on this zip file, and you can either choose to extract here, which will automatically extract all of the files right over, scattering over this text stuff, which may not look pretty nice to some people. So in order to format it correctly, you have to select this option, which is extract to exam.csv. What it basically does is it will automatically create a folder named exam.csv, and then it will extract those files inside of that for particular folder. So as you can see, so it's a pretty simple process. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.